All right, you will now have to speak on this topic for 1 to 2 minutes.
I have read an article about fasting and exercise and importance of losing weight and having the exact weight. I read this article on New York Times website, and as we all know, New York Times website articles was based on is based on facts and very good research. I read this article in last year December, and I found it very interesting and I found it very helpful in maintaining my right weight. I read this article because I wanna lose my weight and want to get to my exact weight, and all the damages that a body have made overuse of fast food. And as a Muslim, I know that fasting is very helpful in maintaining the right weight, and fasting for 18 hours, and then you eat short meals on 6 hours. Then and this article helps me a lot in maintaining my weight as well, and then the body starts to seem to be very fresh and active. And I started going gym, and I maintained a good weight, and I had a good muscles as well after that. Then it feel me very comfortable about this, and it was very helpful.
Okay, 1 minute 42 seconds. Overall, it is good, but first thing is you need to overcome the pauses. Try to overcome
Yes,
that
sir.
and try to speak fluently. Fluency is something you need. Then, second, grammatical mistakes. You said body have, it should be body
Body
has, and
has.
then some more similar type of mistakes, right? And then try to refer to the topic. At one point it sounded like you were speaking on something else, you were not talking about that article, so refer article time and again in your answer, it'll be fine.
Okay.
Looking at your overall performance, now I give you 6, but you can improve it, right?